Oh my god, my package came in from Phoenix Beauty Supply Company. Oh my god, look, I got a magnet. Yes, queen. Okay, we're leaving that there so you guys can go to her shop. I'll take that out. And this is what I got. This is my first time ordering from her shop. She got me a shirt because I love her. Here. And I got me this one because yes, your girl's nails is gotta go. Okay, but I getting there. I got me, oh, she put this in there. Oh my god, Mary. I got me my colors. These are really pretty colors, you know. Really fancy colors. Later I'll do a swatch. Look how pretty this is. She even added this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Yes, and I got this one. Yes, I like nail polishes. And this goes with the scrub. This came off with this spray thingy. But that's okay because we won't put them on. This is the one I want to try. Okay, this is gonna be my first time trying a sugar scrub on my body, and I can't wait to open it and smell it. Okay, my goodies I got from Phoenix Beauty Supply, and I love it. Look at all these goodies. So that's her QR code. So if you guys want to use your phone and scan it, check her out because you get awesome stuff. This one we cannot really see the blue, but it's really pretty. Even this one, look at that. I love black nails, so that's how come I got black. And then isn't that cool? And she puts the colors on the top, and I love that. And then this is her quick dry top coat. I want to try these. Can't wait. I'm excited. But yeah, guys, go check her out. Ahoy ho.